Tatay oras, boy. Foul na taman. Nice foul. Nice one, boy.
2.9 to play.
Nice. Okay. Why ka ba, boy? Up by 7. Wala na. Wala na.
18 seconds left. Banchero pump fake.
Wala na. Bisa pag makashot na.
Gets it back. Good defense by Stewart. Banchero. No.
Nice one. Nice one.
Seconds to go.
Nice one.
Harris gets it.
Na, adyo pa kaulaw kay kamura ba ang number 1 seed? Tapos mapuruan mo? Sabi kaulaw.
No, a turnover.
Sabi kaulaw, may lang mo sa regular season pag abot sa playoffs, mura mong G-League team.
Contact. Bain tosses it in. Catch made by Suggs.
That's it.
And that's it.
Survive ang Pistons sa Game 4.
Number 1 seed.
Game 5.
A game
Kumapit
6